You put the key in.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And before you turn it on, what do you do?
Make sure the throttle's down.
Throttle down, but put your seatbelt on first.
Can I start it, Brian?
Not yet. We're gonna just hold on. Put the red handle down. Throttle up all the way. Wait for me to get out of the way. At least you gotta move out of the way. Let's see you dig that hole. Okay, now use the dozer blade to fill it back in. Use the dozer blade. Bring your bucket back. Bring the bucket back in. Use the dozer blade to fill the hole in. Bring the bucket back in. Turn the blade to the right, Rolfi. Angle the blade to the right. Remember how to do that?
How did he learn to do that?
I fooled around with him a couple times at the office, and his grandfather owns a farm, and he is around equipment. I don't know. He just picked this up like this afternoon.
He's good.
Yeah.
Hey, over here, drummer. Come over here. So what were they doing here today?
We were holding a training class for a bunch of sales reps and other people who work at the company. We run an equipment company.
I see.
And we were setting up a bunch of training, and we're doing another class tomorrow.
Oh, how neat. Wow, I'm impressed with them. How old is he?
10.
Oh my Lord. I tried one of these one time. Never got very good at it.
He's got it figured out.
Boy, he sure does.
He and I have played a lot of video games, and he used to have a construction video game when he was a kid, you know.
That's right. I guess that helps a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That soil looks pretty good, doesn't it?
It was packed in there pretty good. Hey, Rolfi, turn the throttle down for a second. Put the blade in front of the pile.
Drummer? Drummer! Drummer! Do you hear me?
Put the blade in front and just pull it back. Let's let Connor try on the other one.